bracelet out of rectangles and acute angles. So we're going to twist the first two colors, and we're going to.
Then we're going to get another one. And then put it right here. Make sure they're lined up. And then you grab the first one at the bottom and then bring it up. Like that.
That pink and that green, Lauren, they are what to each other?
They are...
They're never ever going to touch each other? Well, the pink parallel, good.
When you spread it apart, you're going to see a rectangle in the middle.
Let me see that rectangle when you get a chance. All right, I see it. Tell me about that rectangle.
The rectangle is a parallelogram, and it will never stop in. And
what else is it? It has four sides, so it's also a what?
quadrilateral.
So basically, we're going to put the third one without twisting it and put the bottom color, whatever it is, on top. Dang it. Hold on. Here, we're going to put it on top, and then it'll kind of make another one, but it'll be sort of over top of the other one.
Okay.
Okay. And you'll get another one. Technically do the same thing, and then as you keep on inching down, it'll make, you could see it more better.
Good. Can you show me what the final product's going to look like?
It'll look like this.
Tell me about the angles in that final product.
We got acute angles.
And what is an acute angle?
Acute angle is
it less than 90 degrees or greater than 90 degrees?
it's less than 90 degrees.
Let me get a good shot of that.
You could
And why are those not exactly triangles?
because how they're all tied up in the bracelet, it doesn't really finish the triangle. So basically, you just got acute angles in it.
All right. So how do you end up finishing your bracelet?
You're going to put the last two on your fingers, and you're going to pull the second one over them, and then you're just going to put the last two over your fingers, and then you're just going
So
to
like
put
this, where you just keep pulling them over to have an ending, and then you clip it onto it.
So that's an S hook you use?
yes, we're using an S
But you also have
C clip.
C-clips.
So you could use whichever.
Yes.
Okay. So tell me a little bit about that family tree. How is it that a rectangle is also a parallelogram and a quadrilateral?
Because quadrilateral, because
Alright, now we take...
What is a quadrilateral?
a quadrilateral is
Something that has four equal sides.
Do the sides have to be equal, or they just have to have four sides?
they can have just four sides.
Just have to have four sides.
And a parallelogram, it has to have straight, like the rectangle in the bracelet.
And opposite sides have to be
The
parallel.
parallel sides. And we got so basically, like, the rhombus is the square, the rectangle and the squares are basically like parallel and quadrilaterals, and the triangle, the trapezoids don't have nothing because they don't have equal sides. They have four sides though, but they just don't really have anything.
They have one side parallel.
Yes.
And that's it.
It's the top and bottom.
And for example, when you put them on like this, then they're parallel because they're going to never touch.
Good.
So
Just put it back where you found it. And then what makes a square a rectangle?
it's just like the square is a little stretched out.
Where there's like a little gap for you.
Yeah, like how you could do on some photos where you could stretch it out. Well, it's kind of like a square where when you stretch it out, then it inches down.
Okay. What do a square and a rectangle both have?
They both have equal sides. They both have 4 sides.
What kind of angles do they both have?
They both have exactly 90 degree angles.
Good. A square has to have equal sides. A rectangle does not, right?
Right.
Good. All right. Thank you, ladies, for sharing. And what do you call this bracelet?
A fishtail bracelet.
Fishtail. Thank you very much, Angel and Lauren.